We're going to be making stuffed mushrooms here. I need to clean the mushrooms out before I start making the stuffing part to go in them. You'll see the stems are already gone because I already put the stems in another meal. So here they are. So you'll see these are kind of big, so we have room to stuff them. I just dumped an 8-ounce box of cream cheese in the bowl. Okay, I put all the stuff in the cream cheese, and I just wanted to say that you can put whatever you want in your mixture of cream cheese if you like. But I chose to put some bacon bits, a tablespoon of minced garlic, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, taco seasoning, Montreal steak seasoning, parsley flakes, some Parmesan cheese, some Worcestershire sauce, and also some regular mozzarella cheese. So what I'm going to do now is mix this with my hands, and then I'll be stuffing them in the mushrooms. This is what the cream cheese looks like once I mix all of the ingredients. Now I'm going to stuff them in the mushrooms. Okay, the mushrooms are now stuffed, so what I'm going to do now is spray a little bit of olive oil on each stuffed mushroom before I put them in the air fryer. I use to spray the olive oil on the stuffed mushrooms. The stuffed mushrooms are going in the air fryer for about 13 minutes on 385. The stuffed mushrooms are now cooked and finished. Doesn't that look yummy? Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about how to make stuffed mushrooms here. And these are so delicious, and they just absolutely melt in your mouth, and I think you guys are going to really love them when you try this recipe. And I consider it healthy, especially if you're on a keto diet. These don't hardly have any carbs in them, so these are really actually good for you. So, and you will just love them.